Today I'm going to be talking about the Garmin Livescope, and I do a lot of shallow water fishing, so I have discovered perspective mode is definitely, if you're fishing shallow water and heavy cover, you want to have it on perspective mode. And I'm going to just go through how I have mine set up. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do to be able to use it in perspective mode is to get a perspective mode mount. I found one on Amazon, and I'll include that link in the description below. Another thing that I'm going to include a link to is it's a power cord protector, and it's not brand name. It only costs around $20. Well worth it. So you can see, oh, it's very bright. Okay, so with the perspective mode, keep my gain at around 50%, and you know, there's not much on the screen with 50%, and that's I found that to be the most beneficial. So I have my color on, I believe, lava. So let's go to the menu, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual sonar setup. Okay, I have the noise reject on medium, TVG off. Oh, okay, so I have it on amber, not lava, whatever. Default color limit 0%. Okay, and I have my trails off. All right, of course I have it on perspective, these off. Auto fresh. Okay, there you go. Alrighty, well, I hope this helps. I guess that's all for now. As always, thank you so much for coming by my channel and taking the time to watch my videos. I enjoy putting this content out for you. I will also include in the descriptions a couple of links that I'd love for you to check out with products that I've used in this video. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.